The feeling is so surreal when I am with you. You are my dream and you are my only fantasy in life. It feels good when I am with you. Is this love? I ask my heart. The feeling so awesome right from the start. I have never really felt this way for anyone in my life, but it's different with you. There is a connection that connects me to you. There is an allure of sorts to see. Baby, I think I am in love with you. A love so pure and love so in bliss. Baby, I love you so much. Accept it from my heart with a tender loving kiss. I will love you forever in time, as I know that I am yours and you are mine. I really don't know how I will express my feelings to you since the time I am with you. I find everything so beautiful and new. Your love is so passionate that it makes me forget all my pain. Your love is so pure that it takes me to the feeling of allure. You know what, you are my true love in life. All the times I spent with you, all the moments so wonderful and new. I really don't know how I will survive without you. I wanna confess something to you today. I really love the feeling of being in love with you. I wanna love you forever. Until the end of time, I'm really thankful to you because you came in my life. Hold my hands, cause I don't want you to go. I don't know if you know that I truly love you. With you, I am so me. Things are just the way they should be. I don't know why your power of love is such, why I yearn for your touch. If this is love, yes, then I am in love with you. I have never felt this before. I think I love you to the core. Night and day I keep thinking about you. All day long, it's only you. This has never happened in the past. As it is happening, I don't know why I want to be with you. Is this love? Then I'm sure I love you. I wanna stay with you all the time, all the while. Feeling of love is wonderful. It makes me smile.